3 years ago, my Saab 93 Aero was involved in an accident on a country back road. And while I repaired some of the damage, I never truly finished the car. However, today that all changes, and by the end of today's video, when this rolls out this building, it will be 100% rebuilt. So here we have my Saab 93. I am very happy with how this car's turned out. There's no accident damage left in it, all the rust is gone, and it feels like we've saved it from what would have been a much worse fate. Obviously the car came back with loads of issues that weren't fixed properly, but now everything is done perfectly. It all looks like how it was before the accident. Although saying that, there are a couple of little issues that I want to get sorted out. Obviously it's being a home rebuild, it's not 100% perfect, but I think we will talk about those issues upstairs. So yeah, let's talk about some of the issues with the car at the moment. So the biggest one that I really have is the new wing. Now, when I got the wing, I got it with the rest of the parts that were fitted, and the paint structure is pretty much perfect. But if you know me, I am very exacting with my standards, and there was some rust on the inner edge. Nothing too bad, nothing that anyone else would notice, but it's me and it doesn't sit right with me to have a brand new panel with rust on it. So we decided, instead of sending it to a perfect body shop that would do it absolutely brilliantly, we would do it as a home job. So we got the kit offline, and it was supposed to be 100% colour match, which it absolutely is. The colour is perfect. The problem is the clear coat has sort of come out quite matte compared to the rest of the car. It's not something that's very visible from a distance away, but when you get up close it is pretty bad. It's kind of difficult to get on camera. I've tried to take a photo that shows it, which I'm going to put on screen now, but it's really, if you see it in person, you will see it when you see it on a camera. So that's one of the issues with the car. Second one is, obviously being new doors, it's new wiring inside. So when we have connected everything up, there seems to be a problem with the car locking. Now I don't know if that's because doors were changed and it needs to be sort of married, which is what Tech 2 is. If you're in the Saab sort of community, you know that Tech 2 is kind of like the dealership diagnostics. We don't know if it's that, or maybe it's something I've left disconnected in the driver's door card, which I will have a look at sometime later. But yeah, the card doesn't seem to lock at the moment. You may have also noticed in the footage that the rear badge and number plate lights have been taken off the car. Now I'm taking that off to do a home version of a very, very rare Saab part, which at some point I will show you what that is, but right now it's not something I'm going to get done very quickly. It involves getting the boot resprayed as well, so I need to sort of try and find a boot and try and save up the money to get that boot resprayed. Of course, I'm on a bit of a budget at the moment, that's why we did the wing as a home job, which again turned out pretty well. So that's all the issues with the car at the moment. Now I want to get onto something that I was going to do for the video. So I was planning to actually film the rebuild process, but as I got more and more into the process and filming, I just really didn't enjoy the experience, and I want to give an experience that's enjoyable for me, but not only yourselves. And if I don't enjoy it, then I don't feel like it's something I should be putting out. It just got in the way of the jobs, and I just got a bit annoyed with setting the camera up every time for one little thing and then moving it again. So I'm not really someone that rebuilds cars, and I don't really want to be a channel known for rebuilds. So for now and for the foreseeable, I won't really be filming any rebuilds. But yeah, that's all I really want to talk about at the end of this video. Again, the car looks absolutely amazing. It's 99% there, just that last little bit that needs to get there to be up to my standards. But yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I will see you for the next video.